Good morning students. Today we are going to learn about editing a Word document. Okay. We can delete a text using backspace and delete key. These keys are used to delete the particular text in the document. Backspace key will delete the text to the left of the cursor and delete key will erase the text to right side of the cursor. This is the cursor. Okay. Suppose we press backspace means it will delete the text to the left side of the cursor like this. Okay. Suppose we click delete key means it will delete right side of the cursor like this. Clear? Suppose we want to delete a large selection of text. First we have to select the text by using mouse like this. Then simply press delete. The three lines will be deleted at the same time. Okay, clear? Next, this is the title bar. Below the title bar, there are number of tabs available. This home is one of the tab. Under the home tab, there are 5 groups displayed like clipboard, font, paragraph, style and editing. These are the some groups displayed under the home tab. Using these groups, we can format our text document. Okay. This is the clipboard group. Using this we can move the text using cut option, or we can copy the text using copy option, or we can paste the text using paste option. Okay. In clipboard group we already discussed in the last section also. This is the font group. We can use this font group. We can change the font name, or we can change the font size, or we can change the font color, or we can make the text to bold, italic, underline. These are the some options available here. For example, suppose we can change the font of this line means we can select the text. Then under the font name drop down list we can select any one of the font name like this. Then this is the font style drop down list. We click this arrow means different size will be appear. We can choose any one of the font size. This is the font color. Clicking this arrow means color palette will appear. We can choose any color. Okay. Then we can select the another word. This is the bold icon. This is the italic icon. This is the underline. By clicking italic icon means the text will be slightly slanting way. This is the underline icon. Suppose click this icon means the selected text will be underlined like this. Okay, clear? Okay, next. This is the paragraph group. This paragraph group we can create a bulleted list or numbered list, or we can make the alignment. There are 4 types of alignments available: left, center, right, justify. Suppose we click this means left alignment. It means left side are even, right side are uneven. Suppose click center means all the line will be centered like this. Suppose we click right alignment means right side are even, left side are uneven like this. Suppose click justify means both the sides are even like this. These are the 4 alignments available here. Clear? The next one, editing group. Using this group we can search a particular word. Click find option. Find and replace dialog box will appear like this. Okay. In the home tab under the editing group, click find. In find what text box we have to type the word to be search. Suppose Windows, Windows, Windows. Type the word which we want to search here. Then click find means find next means the next occurrence will be displayed like this. Okay. Then next here. Next window is here, no? Find next. All the word Windows will be selected like this. Okay. Using this find option we can search a particular word. or we want to search Kongu means we have to type here, then click find next. The word Kongu will be searched like this. Okay. Suppose we want to replace a particular word, we can choose the replace option. Find and replace dialog box will appear like this. Okay. Then click the replace tab. In find word text box we have to type the word which we want to search. In replace with box we have to type the replacement word. Suppose here Windows. For example, I want to search the word Windows. I change that Windows to Win, W-I-N, Win. Find next means first word window will be pointed like this. Okay. Suppose we want to change, we want to replace this word means we can click replace. Otherwise we can click find next. Okay. Suppose we want to replace means click replace. The word Windows will be changed to Win. Suppose here if we want means click replace. Otherwise we can click find next like that. Okay. Suppose we click replace all means all the word will be replaced at once like this. Replace all the word Windows will be changed. Okay. Suppose I reverse order. I will search the word Win and change it to Windows like this means in find word text box we have to type the text which we want to search. In replace with text box we have to type the replacement word, then click replace all. Within second all the word will be changed. All the word Win will be changed to Windows. Is or no? Okay. Thank you.